If we could do it all over again, I'd paint a better picture for us, babe. And girl, I thought I'd never see the day that my entire world faded to gray. Say you didn't mean to, girl, let me remind you. When I found that letter you wrote to that other guy, I've been colorblind to yellow, purple, green, blue. Gotta check my pulse just to see if I'm still alive. Cause all I see is black and white, black and white. Everything feels the same and I can't stop the pain. It's clear as black and white, black and white. Girl, my world's turned to gray and I'm pushing away. And no sorries don't faze me, cause I'm not looking back anymore. The truth's right here in black and white, black and white, black and white. Reality is slowly sinking in. I'm a victim of perception mixed with pain, struggling to make sense of what went wrong, cause I can't carry on. What the hell is happening to me? Tell me what I did to deserve all the pain you caused me when I found out you don't love me anymore. I've been colorblind to yellow, purple, green, blue, hoping I'll survive, but baby, I'm not even sure. All I see is black and white. All I'm seeing, girl, black and white. Everything feels the same, everything can't stop the pain. It's clear as black and white. Girl, my world's turned to gray, so I'm pushing away. Sorries don't faze me, cause I'm not looking back anymore. The truth's right here in black and white, black and white, black and white.
Dear John, you were just so amazing. I had the best time with you last night. I mean, out till 4 a.m. in the morning on a weeknight. Absolutely worth the loss of sleep, if you know what I mean. You're like the total opposite of Tim. He's always smothering me. I'm just so sick of stringing him along, you know. But don't worry, he'll be out of the picture soon. I know it's only been 2 weeks, but I just don't love him like I love you. Just hope he doesn't cry.
Black and white, black and white. Sorries don't faze me. Oh, I'm not looking back anymore. Yeah. No, 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 no. Oh, black and white. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, black and white. Black and white. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Studio Monkeys.
It's like this, it's like that. I got dough, I got stacks. I can buy anything that I need, but I gotta have you for free. I ain't never paid for it in my life, so why the hell would I pay for a wife? I need love, yes I do, but this is what I need from you. Ooh, a brother need love and affection. Brother need TLC, and I ain't talking about chili, but I'll take chili if she want it. Ooh, a brother need cooking and cleaning, and when she say she love me, she mean it. Her inside's pretty, yeah.
right here. Step